Question number 6. If I start a clothing brand, do I want to do this all the time? A very good question. Most entrepreneurs do not want to do their business for their whole life. Every company should be set up with an exit strategy. Let's say you grow it to a certain size and then you sell. Not every company is sellable though. One product fashion brands launched by fashion inventors are very sellable because they are very understandable to investors. Most of the time when product takes off, you start receiving inquiries from different institutions and brands to purchase your brand. This is a common thing. If you have a collection business, then it is very difficult to sell. It is not very much understandable to investors. The one product business is very understandable to investors and is very much sellable. If you want to start inventing your core fashion product, join my sweepstake. The link is in the description to this video, and win 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind. Start developing your iconic fashion product, your driver, your fashion invention today.